This is the newest Wyze Video Doorbell, the Wyze Video Doorbell V2. We're going to take this thing for a spin to see how much of an improvement it is over the previous generation Wyze Video Doorbell. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I cover a range of topics including tech reviews, home automation, and how-to videos for both home and automotive. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Wyze Video Doorbell V2. We'll be talking about how much it costs, what you get in the box, talk about the specs, show you the quality of the video during the daytime, nighttime, color night vision, as well as give you an audio quality, give you a quick preview of the smartphone app, and I'll share my final thoughts at the very end. Right off the bat, this video doorbell is $45 shipped at this time. Not sure if that's going to go up or not. I know Wyze likes to up their price every once in a while, but right now it's $45 shipped, and that's a pretty good deal, I think, for what this is. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out, and if you're interested in picking it up, use the link. It's an affiliate link. It helps us out at the channel. In the box, you're going to find a user manual, mounting screws with drywall anchors, 2 wire extenders for hardwiring the doorbell, 2 mounting plates, 1 for a direct mount, and an angled bracket, so if you need to kind of angle it a little bit, you're able to do that. A chime controller that allows your video doorbell to use your indoor chime, which is nice on this one. And finally, you have the doorbell itself. Now, I will say, it didn't come with these scuffs. I accidentally dropped it when I was outside trying to mount it up. So just be aware. Sometimes I'm a little bit clumsy. This video doorbell has a 2K resolution camera on it, which provides us a lot better quality video during daytime and nighttime from the previous generation video doorbell. Most people leave their front porch lights on during the night, and that allows this color night vision of this camera to come and play here. It's a little bit better than the infrared night vision, because you get a little bit of color, well, you get color, and it gives you a little bit better quality of video. With the new camera, it provides a larger field of view at 135-degree horizontal and 103-degree vertical. This doorbell needs to be wired into your existing doorbell wires. It needs a 16-volt to 24-volt AC, which is what a normal video doorbell, or not video doorbell, but the doorbell transformer puts out, or at least it should. If you're on the lower end, it may not work as well or work at all, but if you're in the upper end of the 24 volts, you'll be fine. Most houses will be fine. Because it's wired into power, they added the capability of recording 24/7 locally to a micro SD card. You can use a maximum of 256 gigabytes for the micro SD card, which is quite a bit of video. It does have cloud recording as well if you're signed up for that. My only gripe here about the SD card recording is the location in which Wyze put the SD card slot. Wyze, you could have put it in the back so it's secure and not as easy to steal. But instead, they put it on the side so you can walk up, flip the little rubber piece out, and take the card. Not sure why they did that. Maybe it was a small oversight when they were trying to rearrange or organize the internal components. I'm not sure. Keep in mind that if you don't have the Cam Plus subscription, that you'll be limited to 5-minute motion alert delays, meaning it's going to be 5-minute cooldown period before it alerts you for another motion. So if someone comes up to the door, you'll hear the motion. If they're moving around continuously, you're not going to get that motion alert for another 5 minutes. May not be a big deal to you, but just keep that in mind. The Cam Plus subscription is $2.99 a month or $20 a month, $20 a year per camera, or $9.99 a month or $100 a year for unlimited cameras. So keep those prices in mind if you're interested in that. The video doorbell is IP65 weatherproof rating and is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. And I think if this and then that, I'm pretty sure it is. Let's check out the video quality during the daytime, nighttime with night vision, and color night vision, and we'll see the audio quality you're going to get. As well, let's see how quickly it notifies my phone when there is motion. Here's the quality of the video during the daytime. It's not sunny out, but it is daytime. This is what you're going to get in the audio quality. Here's the quality of the video during the nighttime with night vision, and there's no lights on right now on my house. This is what you're going to get. Here's the quality of the video with color night vision. This is what you're going to get. A little bit of light. We're going to see how quickly it notifies my phone for motion. There it is right there. It's already blinking. Got my Arlo camera already. There it is right there. Let's take a quick look at the smartphone app and its features. All right, so here is the app. I got all my cameras listed here, my vacuum, so on. So I got the front doorbell here. We're going to go ahead and click in on it. and it's going to go ahead and load a live view for you, which it already loaded it. You can check in on the SD card, take a photo, record manually right now. You have responses here, which is kind of cool. It says, it automatically talks for you, says, can I help you? Be there shortly, leave a package at the door. Then you've got the album. So if you have videos or photos that you've taken, it'll save it to the album on your phone itself. And then you got the events. So right now, if you have an SD card in there, or if you have the cloud storage, you're able to see the events here in order. Let's go to settings here. So right now, you can name it whatever you want. You got detection settings, so you can set the sensitivity to it, as well as the sound sensitivity. Motion tagging, you can do detection zones. You know me, I like motion zones. So, or detection motion zones, motion detection zones, yeah. And then you got event recording, which right now I actually have nothing on here. Motion and sound I have. Events and smart detection, I have it's grayed out because I don't have the cloud storage. So whatever. Notifications, I got them on. You can manage the events if you have cloud storage. It's grayed out. Again, whatever. Advanced settings, I can make it record to the micro SD card. Don't have one in there right now. I can manage it by, I can eject it or I can format it in here. Night vision mode, it's on auto. I can have it also on or off. Camera status light, you can turn that on and off. That's the little blue ring on the camera. Kind of shows you where the doorbell is. Show timestamp, Wyze, and record sound. I don't know why you wouldn't want to record sound, but I guess you can make it not do that. Chime, this allows you to set up the chime inside if you've got a digital chime or a mechanical one. And accessories, well, I guess this will allow you to hook up accessories to it. You got rules, sharing. Sharing allows you to share your app, because a lot of people have like a wife and husband or partner or whatever, and you can share this so that way they're able to get the view of the video doorbell at any time as well. Device info, Wyze support, restart the camera, and delete device. Now, here are my final thoughts on this. I don't want to give Wyze too hard of a time here because this video doorbell is $45, which for the price and what you get out of it is not too bad. The 5-minute delay for not paying for their subscription package, first of all, I hate subscription packages, and if you have to pay $5 to get some of their features, that shies me away from products out there, consumer products at least. But that's just how things are going. So if the 5-minute delay or the 5-minute cooldown is not going to be a big deal to you, then I wouldn't worry about it too much. The next thing is the SD card location. Probably not a super bad location, but they could have done a lot better with it. Let's just think about this. If someone really wanted to and knew where that was, they can walk up to your video doorbell and then remove the SD card. Now all your footage, as long as you don't have cloud storage, now all your footage is gone. You'll never see who did it unless you pick up your phone right then and there before they get to it. And now you have no recordings at all what happened. Is that a big deal to you? Probably a big deal for everybody, I would think. But how often is that going to happen? Probably not very often, if any at all. I have some of my security cameras up with a magnet. That's just how they get mounted. And a lot of people have made comments saying, well, someone can just walk by and take it if they wanted to. True. It's very true. They could do that. I've had them on magnet mounts for about, let's see here, almost 7 years. And to be honest, never thought about it. Never dwelled on it, nothing. And they've never been messed with. So keep that in mind. If you're in a location where a lot of people like to congregate around your house or something like that, or apartment, whatever it is, probably not a good location for it. But so keep those two things in mind. You got the 5-minute cooldown if you're not paying for the extra money for the cloud storage. And then you also have the SD card location. Not a huge deal, I guess. It's just, if that's what you're not wanting, then you're probably not going to purchase this. So with all that out of the way, let's go over the positive of this thing. And for one, it's on the Wyze app. So if you have a lot of other Wyze cameras out there, it's all in one app, which is really nice. You're able to share the alerts and all that. And it hooks up to your actual indoor chime now. The previous generation did not. And I think a lot of people shied away from that. While I realize the previous version did have a plug-in chime, but it's kind of cool that it will plug into your indoor chime now and make use of it. I know a lot of people are going to be excited about that. Another thing, video quality, it's pretty good for what it is for $45. Not too bad. It's 2K. It's a little upgrade quality from the previous generation. So got that going for you. And it does pretty much whatever a video doorbell you really want. With a pre-roll of 3 seconds, it was pretty good. And it catches my motion. So this pretty much checks a lot of the boxes with a few minor ticks that I don't like. But hey, you know what? Not a single consumer product out there is perfect. So if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.